こんにちは、皆さん。今日のビデオでは、世界的に人気の歌手、デュアリパさんが嘘発見テストに挑戦します。デュアリパさんは、グラミー賞受賞歴を持ち、数々のヒット曲を持つトップアーティストです。今回のインタビューは、Vogueの YouTube チャンネルで公開されたもので、日常英会話表現を学ぶのに最適です。さあ、一緒に楽しみましょ
う。Listen.
Is that comfortable there?
Yeah. Now my heart's racing. Now my heart's racing. Now my heart's racing. Now my heart's racing.
My heart is racing は心臓が速く強く鼓動していることを意味します。興奮したり、緊張したり、体を酷使したりすると起こります。例えば、
I have to give a speech, and now my heart is racing.
というと、興奮や緊張を感じていることを表します。
My heart is racing.
My heart is racing. Feel it. Oh, that was so dangerous. Is your heart racing?
Your heart is racing. Your emotions are cracking.
My heart was racing.
Suddenly, my heart was racing.
My heart's still racing.
Is your name Dua Lipa?
Yes.
Are you 25 years old?
Yes.
Are you ready to take this lie detector test?
Yes.
All right, we're calibrated.
Let's go with your career. For your first album, you performed 245 live shows.
Yeah.
Was that too many?
It was a lot. I don't know, yeah, it was quite a lot. I mean, I don't regret any of those shows, but there were moments where I felt definitely a bit run down. But there were moments where I felt definitely a bit run down. But there were moments where I felt definitely a bit run down. But there were moments where I felt definitely a bit run down.
Feel run down とは疲れて弱くエネルギーがないと感じることを意味します。通常は誰かが体力的にぐったりまたは体調が悪いと感じるときに使われます。例えば
I've been working long hours and now I feel really run down
というとその人は疲れてエネルギーがないと感じていることを意味します。
You said you've been feeling run down.
I've been feeling kind of down lately.
I've been feeling run down lately. My stomach's been weird. I just did the math in my head and I think I'm a little bit late.
Feeling down?
Yeah.
I'm your big bro. I know this is where you like to come whenever you're feeling down.
When you were feeling run down, you ever fall down on stage?
I have tripped on stage. I actually fell going up some stairs. I went down to the crowd, I was like singing with everyone and I got so excited I was going to run back up on stage, missed the step, fell on my knees, got back up, carried on singing. As if nothing had happened, but yes.
Yikes. Speaking of the crowd, you ever lock eyes with an attractive person out there and, flirt? You ever lock eyes with an attractive person out there and, flirt? You ever lock eyes with an attractive person out there and, flirt? You ever lock eyes with an attractive person out there and, flirt?
Lock eyes with
は誰かと目が合うことを意味します。しばしば長い間、濃厚な目線が向けられます。例えば
I locked eyes with him across the room.
というと、遠くから彼と強い目で見つめ合ったことを意味します。
I lock eyes with Jan Michael Vincent.
Wait, you locked eyes with him?
Ooh, there's a kid looking at me. The kid's locked eyes with me.
And I lightly touched his chest, and we locked eyes, and then... Holy shit.
And the moment we locked eyes...
When I see a dolphin looking at me and his eyes tracking me, and I lock eyes with that animal...
Flirt
は冗談交じりに誰かにロマンチックな興味を示すことを意味します。例えば
She flirts with the barista every time she orders coffee.
というと、彼女はバリスタと楽しくやり取りし、魅力や友好心を示しているかもしれません。
People just think I'm a player. I flirt a lot.
Can you stop flirting with me?
She's flirting.
But are you telling me that you've completely stopped flirting with other girls?
They're flirting.
He flirted with me.
Flirted with me? Are you flirting with me? Your flirt got all over my pants. You are flirting with me.
No.
Are you flirting with me?
Don't flirt with her.
Not to flirt. But people in the crowd, I think, what? I'm not, I haven't. This is ridiculous. I haven't locked eyes with anyone to flirt in the crowd.
Inconclusive.
Inconclusive? No, I haven't.
Have you ever called someone because you were drunk and alone?
Yes, But my friends, actually. I think it's kind of worse that I kind of, in full consciousness, call people. Like, that I shouldn't. Instead of being drunk and having an excuse. Like, normally, if I'm drunk and alone, I call my friends to, like, wail about something. But I call my friends to, like, wail about something. I call my friends to, like, wail about something. I call my friends to, like, wail about something.
ウェイルは大声で悲しそうに泣くことを意味します。例えば、
The baby began to wail when her toy was taken away.
というと、おもちゃを取られた時に赤ちゃんが苦しみながら大声で泣き始めたことを意味します。
Stop your wailing!
Did you prepare a speech, just in case you won?
Yes, I did. Because I get really scared sometimes talking in public. And I wrote down little notes, and then it was kind of a little bit of everything that I had written down to try put into one.
You ever rewatch your speech after you gave it?
Yes, because a lot of the time I feel like I blacked out in the moment, and so I always ask, like, was it okay? Did I thank everyone? And so yes, I do go back and watch them. Yes, because a lot of the time I feel like I blacked out in the moment. Yes, because a lot of the time I feel like I blacked out in the moment. Yes, because a lot of the time I feel like I blacked out in the moment.
Blackout
は意識を失うか突然意識を失うことを意味します。例えば、
I blacked out during the concert.
というと、コンサート中に意識を失ったことを意味します。
I blacked out.
But he kept talking and talking, being such a nag, and then I just blacked out. I blacked out.
I blacked out.
Wasn't there, so did someone do anything or say something?
Said I don't know.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
I blacked out.
I have no idea what happened in there. I think I blacked out.
Now let's do pop culture. The fellow pop singer, are you a fan of Britney Spears?
Yes.
Did you watch her documentary, Framing Britney Spears?
Yes.
Are you a part of the Free Britney movement?
1000%.
Up next, your life. Have you ever snuck into a place you weren't supposed to be? Have you ever snuck into a place you weren't supposed to be? Have you ever snuck into a place you weren't supposed to be? Have you ever snuck into a place you weren't supposed to be?
スニークイントゥは誰にも気づかれずに静かに場所に入ることを意味します。例えば、
We're going to sneak into the movie theater.
というと、誰も彼らを見ないで劇場に入るつもりだということです。
He snuck into my room.
Some bastard snuck into my room.
Remember that night when we were all alone and you snuck into my room?
You know, sneak in, hide, and observe.
Sneak into her apartment?
Yeah.
I stole your keys and made a copy of them to sneak into your cabin.
You sneak into this cabin?
Where?
I don't know, like, well, the place, it was quite funny actually. It was just this one tent at a festival in 2014, but it was like wristband only, so I snuck under the tent, and I got caught the second I went under the tent, and I got kicked out, and I got kicked out, and I got kicked out, and I got kicked out.
Get kicked out
は悪い行動やルールを破ったために場所から出るように言われることを意味します。例えば、
They got kicked out of the party for being too loud.
というと、大きな音を立てていたためにパーティーから出るように言われたことを意味します。
You just kicked her out of the group?
I wasn't in it, but I don't go to school anymore.
All right, fine. We got kicked out, okay?
You have 2 hours to collect your belongings and leave the premises. Oh, my love. Hef's kicking me out?
I went to boarding school. Got kicked out of boarding school.
Yeah, me too. Why aren't you in school?
Because I got kicked out.
So I definitely snuck in where I wasn't meant to sneak in, and I got told.
So would you say you love to be the center of attention?
No, not always.
Might be guilty.
I don't. Honestly, it depends. It depends. Like, sometimes I like to be the center of attention, and sometimes I just like to be invisible.
Do Do you think it's healthy to date someone according to your zodiac compatibility? Do you think it's healthy to date someone according to your zodiac compatibility? Do you think it's healthy to date someone according to your zodiac compatibility? Do you think it's healthy to date someone according to your zodiac compatibility?
Compatible は、2人の間でうまくやり合い、お互いを補完する調和の取れた関係を表します。例えば、
They're very compatible partners.
というと、彼らは良い関係を築き、うまく仕事ができることを意味します。
Dude, my hot French subletter's texting me asking my birthday. Wow. He wants to send me flowers or like find out my zodiac sign to see if we're compatible.
Well, I met him on the internet because of my lovely daughter, and we are compatible.
La, 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 la.
Who's that with?
It's an online date. It says we are 82% compatible, so should be good.
Gary and I have been getting closer for a while now, and turns out we're very compatible.
I don't know. I definitely feel like I've checked my compatibility based on star signs.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I've done it. Guilty.
You signed your first recording contract when you were working as a hostess in a cocktail bar? Is that correct?
Yes.
Would you say the customer is always right?
No, not always right. Sometimes the customer is a dick, but you just have to go with it. Sometimes the customer is a dick. Sometimes the customer is a dick. Sometimes the customer is a dick.
ディックは失礼で不快な人の俗語です。しばしば自己中心的に振る舞ったり、考えなしに行動したりする人を指します。類似する言葉には次のものがあります。
Jerk, asshole, prick, douchebag, bastard, idiot, wanker, jackass, and moron.
You are such a dick.
Such an idiot. I'm such an idiot.
I'm not a moron.
She's a goddamn moron anyway.
He's just such a jerk. He's not always a jerk.
He's a jerk. He is being such a jerk.
Why are you such a dick?
Why is she a fucking dick?
At any point during this interview did you lie and we didn't catch you?
No.
You've been pretty truthful the whole way through.
Not bad, Dua.
Thank you so much.
That's okay. That's okay.
ご視聴ありがとうございました。チャンネル登録と高評価お願いします。